How to turn off activity status on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. In here, simply click on Privacy, which is the second option. After you've clicked on Privacy, in here you'll find Activity Status. Simply click on the button to turn it off. Make sure to turn off your white circle is on the left side. After that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off activity status on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.